Welcome to my channel. Universal iron law binds all civilizations. No civilization surpasses light speed limit, no matter how advanced it grows. Cross this red line, and time flows backward. You see yourself before birth. You see yesterday's sun rise again. You meet people long dead. Cause and effect collapse completely. Entire universe logic falls into chaos. This is not sci-fi fiction. It comes from relativity deduction. Top human minds still cannot solve this deadlock. Even stranger, light speed value is disturbingly precise. It hits exactly 299,792,458 meters per second. No more, no less. Some force seems to write this number into spacetime base code, before universe even existed. Deeper research brings more unease to scientists. Slightly faster light speed makes all stars explode instantly. Slightly slower light speed prevents stable atom formation. Nothing, including humans, would ever exist. This value looks deliberately tuned. It leaves exactly the only window for life to emerge. People naturally wonder who set this number. They wonder if universe itself is a pre-written program. To answer this, start with discovery of light speed limit. In 1905, 26-year-old patent clerk Einstein worked in Bern, Switzerland. He wondered what he would see riding on a light beam. This seemingly simple question completely shattered human understanding of space and time. Classic physics back then said light would hang as static wave if you caught up to it. Einstein found something different. Light always stays around 300,000 kilometers per second in your view. It never slows down, no matter how fast you move. This means space and time are not fixed. They warp with your movement speed. Even more revolutionary, he derived an iron rule. No object with mass can reach light speed. Mass keeps increasing as object accelerates. This conclusion goes strongly against common sense. Countless experiments have verified it repeatedly. 1 kilogram iron ball reaches 2.3 kilograms at 90% light speed. It hits 7 kilograms at 99% light speed. It jumps to 22 kilograms at 99.9% light speed. As speed nears light speed infinitely, mass approaches infinity. Infinite mass means even total universe energy cannot make it go any faster. In 2012, CERN ran an experiment. They used 27-kilometer circumference Large Hadron Collider. They accelerated protons to 99.9999991% of light speed. Power consumed equals annual electricity use of a small city. Even 100 times more energy only pushes proton speed from 99.999991 to 99.9999992%. That last tiny step stays forever out of reach. Scientists describe it as an invisible wall ahead. Resistance grows stronger the closer you get. Eventually, entire universe stops you from moving forward. Impact of light speed limit goes far beyond imagination. Time dilation is the best known effect. It's also most mind-blowing prediction of relativity. In 1971, two American physicists ran a classic experiment. They synced two atomic clocks perfectly. One stayed on ground. The other flew around Earth on a plane. After landing, airborne clock ran 59 nanoseconds slower. 59 nanoseconds seems tiny. It proves one cruel fact. Faster speed means slower time flow. Scientists calculated 1 year at 99% light speed equals 7 years on Earth. You think you take a short trip? You return to find friends and family 6 years older. 99.9% light speed brings 22 years on Earth. 99.99% brings 70 years. 99.999% brings 223 years. Universe uses time to isolate fast-moving individuals from entire civilization. In 2022, NIST ran an even more precise experiment. Two atomic clocks sat only 1 millimeter apart. That's about width of a pencil tip. Results still showed different time speeds. Difference came from slightly different gravity positions. Even 1 millimeter gap creates tiny time flow variation. This proves time dilation is not just theoretical. It happens every single moment. We are just too small to notice it. Most critical point is what happens if something exceeds light speed. Answer is total collapse of causality. Time starts flowing backward. Relativity has a core concept called relativity of simultaneity. Most people think simultaneous events are objective fact. Einstein said, that is not true. Order of events can reverse completely for observers moving at different speeds. Take a simple example. You send faster than light signal from Earth to Proxima Centauri, 4 light years away. Signal arrives instantly. From your view, you send first, then receive. Cause comes before effect. Everything works normally. But a spaceship flies from Earth to Proxima Centauri at extreme speed. Relativity effects change passengers' view. They see Proxima Centauri receive signal before Earth sends it. Result appears before cause. Cause and effect get fully reversed. If this happens for real, grandfather paradox emerges. You could go back in time and kill your grandfather. If grandfather dies, you are never born. You then cannot go back to commit the act. This paradox tears entire logic chain of reality apart. It makes world itself impossible to exist. Most physicists agree light speed limit is not random universe rule. It's last line of defense protecting causality. Break it, an entire universe order vanishes. Even accepting light speed cannot be broken. We still stay trapped in a giant cage. Milky Way spans 100,000 light years across. Light-speed ship takes 50,000 years to reach galaxy edge from Earth. Human lifespan is only around 100 years. Most people die before even leaving solar system. Even more desperate, 2 astronomy teams found accelerating universe expansion in 1998. Galaxies 14 billion light-years away already recede faster than light speed. This means you can never catch those galaxies even at light speed. They keep fading out of our view. They eventually disappear into endless darkness. They become forever unreachable for us.